Hey yo, boys and girls, this video is about something that people really don't like to discuss, and the car company manufacturers and that sell replacement headlights really don't like to discuss this. But when you have faded, it looks like the sun, the oxidation, it happens in the front of the lenses, and it makes it look like it's wearing out. They want you to replace and buy new equipment. They want you to buy stuff online, and I'm going to show you how you really clean these really fast and easy and affordable, and I'm going to show you the difference. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to apply some painter's tape to the middle of the headlight. Okay, so we put our painter's tape on here so I can show you the difference. Then you're going to reach for something like this in the hardware store or your local Home Depot or maybe Lowe's. You're going to look for this here. It's called WD-40. Sprays 2 ways. Stops, squeaks, removes, protects, loosens rust parts and particles, maybe. Frees sticky mechanisms, and it drives out moisture. I want to thank High Reach Handyman for letting me be an assistant, and we're going to go through the process. Okay, so again, multi-use product, WD-40. So you're going to take your WD-40, and you're going to just, hold on, I need to get a napkin. I'm going to get yourself a paper towel like this, and you're just going to spray it right onto the lens, and don't be cheap about it either. Right onto the lens here. Okay, then you're going to reach over, and you're going to wipe it with your clothage. I'm sorry, your napkin, your paper napkins, and you're gonna rub it nice and easy, almost like it's a game, like you're playing a game of maybe hide and seek or something, and you're gonna rub it really hard. You know, when you're rubbing it harder, I'm sorry, and don't be surprised if you get some of this on your fingertips. And when you're done rubbing it, you can see the difference. Look at that. Can you see that? Look at the difference in the shine. Okay, I just can't believe it. So we're gonna finish it off. Okay, nice and liberal amount, and you're gonna go around your lens, and you're gonna get some on the car. So you want to get that off the car. Okay, and we're gonna rub it harder, and okay, and again, you want to get it off the car, the paint job. Go around, and maybe you might have to clean the car. Okay, but if you can see there, it's almost amazing. It's like a magic trick. Okay, look how much cleaner that looks. Now this is something that the car manufacturers do not want to talk about because it takes money out of their pocket. But that is how you refresh a lens. I'm sorry, a headlight apparatus on the front of a car or a truck. WD-40, and it gets the stains out. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped. And please subscribe, share, and like this video so it makes it to other people to help them in the future. Thank you very much, and again, I want to thank High Reach Handyman for letting me do this. Bye.